Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your GitHub password. So I'm in my profile. You can see the photo of my beautiful Frenchies to the top left corner. But if you haven't already built a GitHub account, I've posted the link up the top right for you. Go ahead, have a look and make your GitHub account. Otherwise, if you have a GitHub account, feel free to follow my instructions. So essentially all the control panel for your GitHub account lies here on the top right corner. So when you click on your image or the avatar image, if you have not already set an image of your preference, just click on that and that will bring down this drop down list, which is essentially your control panel for GitHub. Go to settings. That will take you to all the settings that is available to you. Go to passwords and authentication, which is highlighted on the left panel. And essentially that's pretty straightforward. You're gonna input your old password and make sure you put a new password that is not very close to your old password because GitHub is gonna be complaining about it. And also it needs to be at least 15 characters or at least 8 characters, including a number and a lowercase letter. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a new password. And then go ahead and repeat that. And that's it. So I'll just go ahead and say update password, and that should update my password. Brilliant. Thank you. My password has been changed successfully.